Okay, today's my English chat for improving myself, and today is 2019, December 26th, and today my practice are follow. For English, I read and watched some news article, and watched some videos related to English. I didn't review vocabulary, but instead, this is related to the preparation for the interview. But I practice interview with native speaker. I went to school, English school or English class, and I set a kind of simulation. I talk with my teacher and like an interview, and the teacher asked me several questions. I haven't answered it. It was very difficult but very valuable and helpful for me. It was a really good practice. And about UI UX, I study design principle, especially about typography, and I also consider design guideline and touch Figma. And today I want to talk about design guideline, design system. Recently, I've revised my design. I've been revising my design system, and it's not so complicated like this image. It's really simple. In order to make the resume, I wanted to make the design kind of really easy design system. Like first think about the persona, set a goal, and set the color with following some kind of standard criteria, and think the font line height. I set those one, and I'm revising that, and I have also completed. So I organized those one, and I also organized how to make a good design system. Like first, what I considered. First, what should I do? First, I think it's important to set persona and goal, and then next, think about what kind of components to show, and then think the priority, and then set the font or size like that. Consider and organize my note that how to make a design system, and I haven't still finished yet, but I think it's gonna be a good practice, and it's gonna be a good experience for me. And that's all. Thank you for watching.